Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hide chats on your WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, there are several ways to hide chats on the WhatsApp. First of all, you can do archive chats. You can archive chats to hide them from your main chat list. To do this, open the WhatsApp app, select and hold the chat you want to hide. Now tap on the archive option. Archive chats will be moved to a separate folder and can be accessed by scrolling the top of your chat and listing and tapping on the archive chats. You can see I have there. Also guys, you can use a chat lock. WhatsApp chat lock feature allows you to lock individual chats with a password or the biometric authentications. Also guys, you can use the GB WhatsApp to hide your chats. Here you can see I have GB WhatsApp open up here, and you can see if I want to hide someone's chat, I can tap here. I can tap and hold on that person's chat, tap right here on three dots, and you can see hide chat. Just tap right here on the hide chat and this chat will be hide. So this is how you can easily hide your chat on your WhatsApp. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.